let's talk about some of the updates on the ZkSync era while we wait for the airdrop. Now, with regards to ZkSync era airdrop, it won't be anytime sooner. The reason being, if we go ahead and check the market over here, Bitcoin is down a lot, like it's down by more than 13% in the past 30 days, like in a month's time, and it's less than $60,000 now. And if we talk about the overall market cap, it's like around 2.22 trillion. Now, in order to get a decent valuation for the project, the market should be at least in a bull run. And right now, we are seeing a major pullback and a small correction in the market. And hopefully, by end of this year, or maybe somewhere around October or November, we can see the market going up, and the bull run should be somewhere between October to November. Although nothing is guaranteed and none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now we have to wait for the market correction, and hopefully then we can expect the ZkSync era airdrop maybe, or you may never know. If they decide, they might do it like this month as well. Now with regards to update on the ZkSync, first we'll talk about NFTs. Now the first NFT that I'm going to talk about is my personal favorite, which is SOB NFTs. Now SOB is doing really well, to be honest, and as you can see in the past 24 hours there are 36 SOB sales. Now the floor price is like 0.03, and if we check the activity as of now, as you can see today it recorded the highest sell of this NFT, which is valued at around $600 as per the current price. Now SOB is building a lot of things on the ZkSync era network, like they are coming up with coin flip, there is raffle, and recently they announced their SOB staking over here, where actually if you have SOB NFTs you can go ahead and stake them in order to earn some Ethereum, as well as earn points in order to get the SOB airdrop. And as you can see, they are giving like a certain ETH per day as rewards to the NFT stakers. And there are Gen 2 of SOB NFTs that are also coming in the future, which would be airdrop to the current SOB holders. Now the next NFT collection we can talk about is Veges. Now Veges is also doing extremely well. As you can see in the past 24 hours, around 54 sales had happened on Veges, and currently the floor price is around 0.0186. So we can see all the price of these NFTs are rising on the ZkSync era just before the airdrop. Now hopefully, like if we see the ZkSync era airdrop maybe in like a month or two, then we can see all the prices of all these NFT collections going up drastically. Then if we talk about Veges, and now if we talk about ZkSkulls over here, they are launching their own tokens. Now ZkSkulls is like one of the oldest NFT collection on the ZkSync era. So as you can see, it was created on July 2023. So they basically have like two NFT collections, which is ZkSkulls, and there is one more, I forgot about it, Evolutions, and they also have something called as a ZkSkulls Grave Pass. Now to be honest, I don't have ZkSkulls yet, but maybe I will go ahead and buy like 4 or 5 of this, and maybe the Evolution one I will buy like 10, because if we talk about the current price, I mean it's like only 0.0018 ETH, which is not a big amount, to be honest, for me at least. So I can go ahead and purchase a few of this. And if we talk about Veges over here, Veges is also an old collection, and they are coming up with their own game in the future. So the game release is like 5th May 2024, which is called as Veges Gotchi, and there you have the chance to earn some Ethereum if you happen to play that game. And they also have a meme coin which is called as Beanie, and they would be launching something called as a Beanie pad, which is like a IDO launch pad on the ZkSync era network for different coins and tokens. So most of the NFTs that you are currently seeing on the ZkSync Era network have decent utilities, and the best part about this all these NFT collections is like basically they are supporting one another. So all the NFT collections have their own DAO, and what they do is basically they purchase NFT of other collections and just keep it in their DAO in order to get some maybe airdrops and some other coins and tokens which are directly rewarded to the current NFT holders. So which is a good thing, and to be honest, I'm liking NFTs on ZkSync Era a lot. I hold a decent amount of NFTs on the ZkSync Era, to be honest. And ZkSync NFTs are my personal favorite, apart from few other collections that I like on the Ethereum mainnet, like Pudgy Penguins, and then there is Sappy Seals, and few other maybe on Solana something called as Mad Lads, and some other. There are few other collections that I like. So once again, I mean, this is not a financial advice. If you appreciate art, if you love NFTs, and if you want to be a part of NFT culture, then maybe you can go ahead and purchase few of this. If not, then it's perfectly fine. Now ZkSync have tied up with Fireblocks. Now Fireblock customers would be able to deploy hyperchains on the ZkSync Era network. Now this one is relatively a new tie-up with ZkSync. So if you want, basically you can go ahead and request the demo and create your login on Fireblocks and just have a look at it. Now another tie-up that ZkSync has done is with Caldera. Now Caldera, or Caldera you can call it, basically you will be able to deploy ZK rollups using Caldera on the ZkSync Era network. Now as you can see, they are already active on ARB and Optimism, and Polygon CDK is coming soon. And with regards to ZK Stack, if you want to like go ahead and deploy a ZK rollup, basically you have to like fix up a video call meeting with them. So there are different dates that you can go ahead and see, and basically you will need to have a 30 minutes meeting with the Caldera team over here, and they will assist you. Now if we talk about the pricing of Caldera, let me go ahead. It's not loading for some reason. Okay, my net is slow, or maybe the website is slow, I don't know. Okay, so if we talk about the plans over here, as you can see, they currently have this free plan over here where you will be able to actually go ahead and deploy one testnet rollup which has a lifespan of 48 hours, and basically unlimited organization members, ARB Nitro. So I think I will go ahead and deploy one rollup on ZkSync just for fun, or let's see how it works out. And they also have this growth plan over here where you can go ahead and deploy 2 testnet rollups. Now this will cost you like around $100 a month or so, and they also have this custom billing which is for the enterprises, which is for the big organizations. And the last thing that is coming on ZkSync is basically Vest Exchange. Now it's basically a decentralized exchange which is kind of similar to, you can say, GRVT, where you will be able to trade perpetuals over here, and they also have many things like there's liquidity pools and maximum capital efficiency, fairest pricing, and hundreds of market. So you can go ahead and have a look at Vest as well. Now for Vest you will need to have a login and a referral code. Now even I don't have one, else I would have given you guys some referral codes, to be honest, because I don't have an account on Vest yet. I haven't followed them yet, to be honest. Hopefully if I get a referral code and some additional referral codes, I will pass it back to you guys. So these are some of the updates as of now on the ZkSync Era network, and I want to keep this video short, to be honest. There are a lot of things that are actually going on ZkSync, which I will explain you in the later videos. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.